What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Bossbaethai, and I'm about to get ready to go to Chicago for the week. A slight little vacay. My god sister is having a baby shower. She's having my niece, so I'm super excited for that. And I just can't wait to eat good, see all my peoples, and have a good time. So I'll see y'all when I get there. I made it, but I'm about to take me a nap. I'm tired. Okay. And it started raining, and it seemed like as soon as you get to Chicago, that's when people start driving crazy. So I'm stressed. My mama cooking me some spaghetti and some fried fish. I'm about to smash, but I'll see y'all later when we go out. I got my food, y'all. Look at it. Can't wait to eat. Thank you. Okay, so I finally got out the bed, and now I'm at my daddy's house. He got me some food and told me to pull up. So that's where I'm going, to my father's house. And maybe I can convince them to help me with my god sister's baby shower gift. I said I was gonna make her a basket, and I still need to make it in the baby shower Saturday, and it's Thursday. At least I got all the stuff for it though. Okay, check y'all in. I mean, you know what I mean. See y'all in there. God, everybody's up. I don't know what's going on, but I'm eating my little Jersey Mike's sandwich for breakfast. They need to hurry up and get on their zone. That's why I'm whispering, because I don't want to be too loud. But nobody's up. And y'all, I had so much gas this morning. I let it in the toilet. It's 8 o'clock. Come on now. We're waiting for breakfast. Even though I ate my sandwich, I ain't tell them. Okay, so y'all, I'm in here with the queen herself. Ask Tiffany.
Don't put me on.
We about to get some portillos. I'm so geeked. I'm gonna get it, Mom. She wants me to show you how to say. Then we're going to my grandmother's house. Can't wait. They're gonna run me ragged.
This is ragged, ain't driving.
This trip, I got a full schedule. You know, this camera, it got like the filter where it can make your skin soft. Like, if I was
How much was it? Let me see. Will it make my skin soft?
I ain't got the thing on, but I can
Put it on so I can see.
That's my mama, y'all. For those of you who do not know,
I don't want nobody seeing me. So
you look so cute.
Edit that part. I don't want nobody looking at me.
Why not? Look at how cute you look.
I don't care.
You look like
I don't want to be on your. I don't want to be on your stuff.
You look like
it's copyright infringement.
You look like
copyright infringement.
That girl look like a star.
That girl is copyright infringement. I can't be on your stuff.
Come on. Everybody else be reposting your stuff, making money.
Yeah, they getting ready to get sued too. I got them.
Let me make a little coin.
They getting sued too. I'm getting my coins back
from the Ask Tiffany franchise.
Get it out, Tyler.
I got this on a firm. I'm paying for it monthly. So
how much is it total?
Like $435.
Oh.
Hey,
with the camera or with everything?
Nah, just the camera.
That's why you had to go ahead and sneak that in. Yeah, okay. Man, you might as well get that big motherfucker with
No,
the big
I
long.
got the big camera. My daddy gave me the big camera. It's just too big. It's not functional. It hurts to carry the vlog. This is what this is for.
Does it do the same thing? Does it have the same what's the difference?
It's a 4K camera. It has the quality you take.
Yeah. Nobody's perfect.
I say I want to go with the aliens.
Here we go. And that shit is stupid. They are not our friends. Hey, listen, when they do come to make themselves sing, they not coming here to be friends. They so pissed off at us. Fucking everything up. They gave us the technology and everything when they first got here. A long time ago. And we fucked it up. So when they come here like a parent comes to their child's school when they get in trouble or they do something wrong. You know when your parent walked through the door, what's getting ready to happen. You getting ready to get your ass whipped. That's what the aliens doing. When they bring their ass down here, do not fucking be fooled and thinking those people are gonna be our friend.
Take me with you. Anywhere is better than this.
Okay. And they gonna kick your ass just for you being ungrateful. They gonna tell you, we gave you a mother that is a supreme being,
my God.
and you want to be ungrateful. They gonna beat your ass right there on the spot. I ain't gonna even jump in. I'm gonna just be like, hey. I tried to tell her I was unique. She didn't appreciate me. Y'all do. Hey, let y'all will be done. I did my best. Okay.
Okay, I got my portillos. I had to put my hair up, y'all, because I'm gonna take my picture showing my friends.
So how long do I have to shut up?
You can talk.
I'm glad y'all life is so interesting.
Why you just don't go into some activities or something?
I don't want any. I don't want to do none of that shit. You get caught up. You get too caught up in all that.
Got the lunch and cheese too.
I'm surprised. Oh, he can't call yet. He working.
What time you doing?
He didn't even eat.
About to go to this boy. My little sister's driving, so I don't know about this. I thought you was driving.
Oh, where am I driving to?
I don't. Where you going?
My turn?
Okay, so I'm last minute with these baby shower gifts. My good cuz came in. What's up, Maya?
So many questions. She didn't get.
No, I'm gonna put.
You
it's
think she's
gonna
gonna
be
paint
cute.
this on the carpet down here?
I'm not.
You're gonna put the flowers around the wall. So where you gonna put the
Just
name?
wait and see. Wait and see.
Move, you blocking the shot. Go over there. Go lay down.
Put some right here.
Not next to me.
That's not there.
I think we should roll out the women for now, cause we're falling apart.
Look at that girl. Say hello to my camera. That's mommy to be. He's a hater. He don't believe that I'm officially a YouTuber. You ain't a YouTuber. I got 2,000 subscribers on my YouTube. Y'all better tell. Hey, bro.
I like my fish wet and squirmy. You know what I mean? Wet and squirmy.
You pee on me.
Wake your bitch Lucky Charms. I like my fish wet and squirming.
Not over with, but I do want you to do something for me when my grandbaby is born. When I pass these out to you, there's a message on it. If we communicate all day, every day, whatever, you will know when my grandbaby is born. I ask that you like this and make a wish for my grandbaby.
I'm about to start crying. God. Look what we put around. Damn, my thing's gonna go dead.
What the hell, Tyler? You know how to do the radio, right?
Nope, I forgot. Remember, I ain't wrote it
Hopefully
since
she don't kill me. Y'all, hopefully she don't kill me. Pray for me.
I said, if I go down the back road, they said, why are you going down the back road?
She gonna kill me.
Hey, give me like a motherfucker. Give me like a motherfucker. Give me like a motherfucker. Can't give these niggas advice. I'm not a king. What you mean? I was just there this Sunday. Nigga, it's too much shit going on. If it's $2, nigga.
What's up, YouTube? I'm finally back at home. And I'm not even gonna say it was no major drama. So I enjoyed my trip back to Chicago. But I am glad to be home. And tomorrow I'm starting my work week. I actually came back on a Sunday. Who does that? Because I usually come back. I need at least 2 days to myself. But I enjoyed myself so much. I stayed till Sunday. But I'm home now, and it's time to get back to our regular scheduled program. It's time to get back into the swing of things. So yeah, and I'm about to do a new routine, so I'm gonna take y'all along with me. All right.
They don't really rap though. I kill it when I'm turn up and I kill it when I'm natural. I be chillin' butt naked in the castle, and bitch I'm about to blow like a birthday candle. Bossbaethai, all day, and it's fuck what a hater gotta say. Bossbaethai, all day.